So if you guys guessing where I am right now, so this is Andheri, Andheri West at some work. So just came here for some work. Now done. So pushing off home. Oh, guessing what is this? So this is basically my, what do you say, my mobile stand. It's a waterproof stand, and it is waterproof, and the only drawback of this cover is the phone gets heated up very fast. So yeah, I mean, like, I always get a warning like phone getting heat up, because there is no space for air to go out. I mean, like, when you use your phone, I mean, like, there's a amount of heat produced, and yeah, so that heat doesn't go and opposite this heat like our weather. So I wouldn't recommend you all to use this during the summer, like during this using this thing during summer. But yeah, very helpful during rainy season. I mean, like, saving your phone getting damaged and getting damaged. So this basically costed me around 1200 bucks, which I purchased it long back, really long back. It's good during rain, but not so good during summer. So just let me check how to go back home, or else I'll be just roaming here and there. Gracious. I think I should just put the sleeves down, because it's too hot outside. It's gonna kill me. So yeah, let's go. Yeah, such a thing is really helpful when, I mean, like, for directions you need. And let me concentrate on my map as well, or else I'll be just losing turns here and there. Auntie, please look here. Please look here. While you cross the road. Yeah, so such things, I was saying that such things are really helpful for directions. I mean, like, now it's very useful for me. It's not necessary कि like मैं घड़ी घड़ी phone बाहर निकालूँ, use करूँ, see the maps, or use my headphones to hear the directions. So yeah, it's really helpful. One advantage of bike is like you can just zoom through small ways that you get. They know it's a red signal. I mean, like, just for few seconds I just break it. I mean, तोड़ने में क्या मजा आता है यार. Like, आप खुद का भी जान रिस्क पर डाल रहे हो, सामने वाले का जान भी आप रिस्क पर डाल रहे हो. Come on, move. What is he doing? This bugger wants to talk on the phone. Uh-oh. Connect me to the... And this connects me to the bridge! It feels so good. I swear it feels good. और खुशी ज़्यादा देर नहीं रहेगी क्योंकि ब्रिज खत्म हो गया. शिट. बुलेट. So sometimes I think, I know it's a rule, but I don't think the cops or these RTO people, they do watch it, but I don't know why do people still do it. But if you guys know, when we stop at the signal, okay, so there's a zebra crossing, okay, there's a zebra crossing, like the white patch, the white lines and all, it's a zebra crossing. But if you see, most of the people, they stop on the zebra crossing instead of stopping on that line behind. Okay, we have to stop behind the zebra crossing. I feel the cops should start fining. They should start. I'm like, कुछ ना कुछ तो fine करना चाहिए. If you're not wearing helmet, you have a fine. If you don't ride using headphones, talking and driving or riding, drinking and driving, there's a fine. But there should also be a fine. They should start charging for those people who stop at the zebra crossing. I don't know. That's what I feel. Now, what you people feel, just comment below. He thinks it's a Hrithik Roshan. And one more thing, I feel if we are following some rules, even the government should take some initiative. As in, there are no zebra crossing lines over here, nor there is the stopping line over here, the white stopping line. Even that's not there. So I think when such lines disappear, or they become light, or they're not visible, they should at least make it visible, yeah. I won't blame the riders or the drivers over here. Sometimes these lines are really not visible, so it's useless. I mean, like, we don't know where to stop. Yeah, before the signal. Obviously, it's always before the signal to stop, but we always cross that line. So yeah, if it's going, it should be on both the ways. This road is good, but before that, too much of khaddas, yeah. I mean, like, it's not only me who suffer problems, it's like so many people who suffer so many problems. And there are so many accidents which is cause of it. Too many accidents, yeah, too many. My mistake. Too many accidents takes place. Sometimes in the night we cannot see a pothole, we cannot see some khaddas or something, and we just bang into it. Because of that, we have a problem, we get pains, as well as the third thing is the bike. The bike has a problem. The suspension goes for a toss, the alloy wheels go for a toss. But क्या करे, मुंबई है मेरी जान. ये आ गया आपका Powai Lake. I know most of you guys staying in Bombay, they know this place. And yeah, I also wanted to ask you all that, again, suggestions are always welcomed. Welcome over here. Okay, so I'm planning to buy a new helmet. A good decent range helmet, not too fancy. Not really too fancy. I'm quite confused between few helmets. I know most of my viewers will having like different helmets, or maybe using different brands as well. So I want to know the kaun sa helmet or which helmet is good for riding, as in like for the safety purpose only, but which is better. Like THH is there, LS2 is there, Sol is there. So yeah, not too expensive. If I tell you that my budget would be around 4,000 stuff. So yeah, in that particular range, if there is anything, I mean, like, I would really, like, I want to buy a helmet. So yeah, if you guys have like, if you can suggest me with good helmets, that will be really helpful, because I'm in need, like I have to buy, because this helmet is already, the helmet which I am using is almost like, it's been 2.5 years and it's not that safe right now to use it. it is safe, but I don't want to use it more than 2 years. It's already been 2.5 years. So quite confused. Between the helmets that I have to buy, because if I buy, it will be like for another couple of years, or like 1.5, 2 years. Exactly. So for next couple of years. So if there are any good helmets that you guys know with the safety, not too fancy, and in budget. So keep in mind the budget. Yeah, so please do comment below. So before I end my video, okay, there is a cool chap I want to show you guys. See, बाल खराब होंगे यार इसके तो अगर हेलमेट पहन लिया. Sometimes I don't think a hairstyle is more important or safety is more important. Okay, so before I end my blah 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 talking session, like talking with you guys, I know if there's always so many topics to talk on, right? So before I end my video, I would love to know suggestions on first the things the government should do, or the rules you think should be implemented. The lines, obviously, the rules basically to be implemented, and the second thing is for my helmet. Okay, so to beat any brand. So as usual, stay connected to my channel and do subscribe, do share my video with many people. Share and share and share, because sharing won't cost you anything, right? Sharing really won't cost you anything, and yeah, the more you share, the more I get information on brands or the traffic rules which even they think on. So yeah, take care everyone, have a great week ahead, and see you all soon in the upcoming vlogs as well.